So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on Start Lab. Now right click over here and open the Cloud Console incognito window. Now from here just click on this to activate the Cloud Shell. Click on Continue. Authorize. Now in the description box of this video I've shared this repository. Scroll down, select it, paste over here, hit enter. Now let me just increase the text size. Now it will take some time, so wait for it. After that we'll simply check the score. So finally all these things are done. Now let's come to the lab instruction and simply check the score for each and every task. So this is how we completed the lab. Do like the video and just subscribe the channel.